Tim, what happened?
I fell.
Welcome at a new video of Craft Camp. Today I'm gonna talk about how we built this trike. A month or two ago we started building this trike and it was done in 4 weeks or something. The problem was at that time we didn't film much, and the things that we filmed were all done with the camera of our phones, so the quality is not that good. So in order to make a good video on how we built this trike, I'm gonna talk you through the process of building it and show you some of the clips that we have made. But yeah, this is Tim's project. He wanted to have a project for his own. It's the back of a quad we got from a friend of ours, and the front is from a Tomos moped. It's a very well known moped in the Netherlands. For this project we of course needed the Tomos, so we had an advertisement on the marketplace, online marketplace, for free mopeds and other vehicles, or cheap ones that need fixing, and someone offered a Tomos and you could pick it up for free. So the things we needed were a Tomos and the back of the quad. In order to make it fit, we had to cut the Tomos frame and make it the right length, so we could weld it to the frame of the quad. First we wanted the wheelbase to be shorter because it would be easier for wheeling, and it would look better, we thought. But later we realized that was not possible, so we made the frame a little bit longer. As you can see, it's quite long. And then we started welding. As you can see, it's welded here, here and here. After that, it was time to check the engine. We had tried it out before, but that was a long time ago and on the original quad, so we had to check again. After that, it was time to paint the frame. So we didn't do it quite right. We just took some cans of paint and started painting right away without properly getting off the whole paint. And finally it was time to assemble the trike. So we took the frame, the freshly painted frame, and we took the engine, we put them together, and after that it was time to test the trike for the first time. Tim, what happened?
I fell.
He did a wheelie and the gas came off. So
I saw €5 on the ground. I thought, op je mel ruim.
So that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit hard to make it a good video without the proper video clips of producing it, but I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm just finished filming the video, and on the way back I did an upgrade. I made the trike a bit lower so it goes better through turns. No, actually it's the suspension that is in a 90 degrees angle right now. I don't know how it happened.